So for this question, there's a concept yataratidza yedu, but we did not entertain it so much. Nepamusana pekuti it's immaterial to the SimSec syllabus. The relationship, the interconnectedness between vectors in the Cartesian plane. Saka we have a question, the in case SimSec decides kukutesta along those lines. But believe you me, it's a rarity. It does not happen frequently or so much kuti munotestewa along those lines. So that question iri kuti in fig 18.2 below, A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, E are vectors as shown. Express each vector in the form A, B. Saka, that is the form A na B. Kureva kuti we have to look at these vectors. Ngatitange na A, B. Like that. So A, B, this is going to take us to position vectors. But in this example, andisikuda kushandisa my position vectors per se, because I want to teach them in the next lesson. Saka zvirikuitika panapa ndezvekuti, in order for us to be able to do this, we have to know the coordinates of A and B. Saka tikauya panapa, pana A panapa, tikuona kuti the x value ndiani ndi1 and the y value ndi2. Tikauya pana B panapa, tikuona kuti the x value ndi4 and the y value ndi1. Ngatingopedzisa, tikauya pana C panapa, tikuona kuti the x value ndi6, the y value ndi2. Tikauya pana D panapa, tikuona kuti the x value ndi5, the y value ndi6. Tikauya pana E panapa, tikuona kuti the x value ndi1, the y value ndi4. Like that. Saka kuti tizive kuti A, B ari kufamba sei kuno, tiri kuona kuti order iri kutotiudza chero pasina arrow. The reason yatiri kuti A, B, we can see automatically kuti tiri kubva pana A chichienda kuna B. Saka that is what A, B. Saka we go kuna B kunoku, then it's 4, 1. Like that. Mapaona. Then kuna A uko, it's going to be chitwa that minus panapa. 1, 2. Like this. Saka ino ish 4, 1, it's actually yatingati it's the end, but ino ish 1, 2 ndio the start. So to the end minus the start. It's logical, and so when we do those calculations, what are we going to get? So this is going to be equal to what? It's 4 minus 1, 1 minus 2. This is equal to 4 minus 1 the 3, and 1 minus 2 the minus 1. Like this. So this is AB. What about BC? BC tinowa nani tikada kuiweka. So for BC, it's equal to, tinotora ma coordinates ari kuna C kwekupedzisira 6, 2, subtracting ari kuna B kwekutanga 4, 1. So this is equal to 6 minus 4, 2 minus 1, which is what? 6 minus 4 ndi 2. 2 minus 1 ndi 1. Kureva kuti our answer here is going to be 2, 1. Like that. Okay. Then what is going to be, what comes next? CD. Saka CD ngeri equal to ma coordinates ekupedzisira 5, 6, subtracting ma coordinates ekutanga 6, 2. So this is equal to 5 minus 6, 6 minus 2. 5 minus 6 ndi minus 1. 6 minus 24. Like that. Then lastly, takuda kutsvaga DE. So DE iri equal to ma-coordinates ekwekutanga, ma-coordinates ekwekupedzisira 1 4, subtracting ma-coordinates ekwekutanga 5 6. So this is equal to 1 minus 5 4 minus 6, which is what? Minus 4. 1 minus 5 ndi minus 4 and 4 minus 6 ndi minus 2. Tinogona kungenyora yakadaro. Kunyangwe iyo uchigona kuzonzi minus ari kunze 4 2. But let us end it there. So for the sake of our question, let us just write down with AB ndian, BC ndian, CD ndian, DE ndian. So AB, it's equal to 3 minus 1. Then BC, it equal to 2 1. Then CD, it equal to minus 1 4. And lastly, but not least of course, DE, it equal to minus 4 minus 2. Like that. Now let us now go to the next question. We have done A, and I should express each vector in the form AB. We have done that. Then B, it would find DE. So this is A. B, it would target DE, the magnitude modulus of DE. So the modulus of DE is equal to, we know we find it by finding the square root of what? The square root of x squared plus y squared. So this is actually equal to, what is the value of x? X ndi minus 4, so it's minus 4 squared banaba plus the value of y minus 2 squared. So this is equal to what? Minus 4 squared 16 plus minus 2 squared ndi 4. Whatever kuti our answer is the square root of 20. That is the modulus magnitude size of DE. Then when we go to part C, iri kuti to show that DE is equal to minus 2 BC. So we need to show that DE is equal to minus 2 BC. So what is DE apple? Then we are looking at C, and saka DE is equal to, then kaskala kedu toka representa na K. Mashona. So DE is equal to K BC. And so what is the value of DE? Tikatarisa kumsoro kuno tinoona kuti DE ndi minus 4 minus 2. Saka panapa we have minus 4 minus 2 is equal to K. And what is the value of BC? BC tikuona kuti ndi 2 1. Saka pandeni 2 1. So basically zviri kuitika apo ndezvekuti we have to prove that the value of K should be minus 2. Satogona kuya panapa toti when K is equal to minus 2, minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 to 1. That is true. Vamusana pekuti minus 2 times 2 ndi minus 4. Minus 2 times 1 ndi minus 2. Saka natadai, so this is proven. Ndozvingoripo. DE is equal to minus 4 minus 2 and K inoi is the scalar, that which should multiply BC to find DE. But we see that minus 2 should be the value which multiplies BC to get to DE. So that is why we have done it in that way. So kana tadai, so tinenge tatopedza tatoita C. What about D? D iri kuti express BC plus CD as a single column vector. Saka iri kuti BC plus CD. What is BC? So BC taitsvaga kumsoro kunoku. Taona kuti ndi 2 1 and CD taona kuti ndi minus 1 4. Saka we are just going to do simple replacement kana substitution. The value of BC tati ndiyani ndi 200 plus the value of CD ndi minus 1 4. So this is going to be equal to 2 plus minus 1 sezvazviri 1 plus 4. So this is equal to 2 plus na minus ukasangana zvinoita minus, so 2 minus 1 then 1 plus 4 ndi 5. So this is rather equal to 2 minus 1 ndi 1 apo 5 pepepe. Saka 2 yedu kana kuti D yedu tatoona kuti inobuda iri 15. Tikaenda kune question yekupedzisira iri kuti express BC minus CD as a single factor, and that question is actually E. Saka pa E pari kuti chi BC minus CD, this is equal to chi, what is the value of BC? 21 minus the value of CD minus 14. So this is equal to what? 2 minus minus 1 and 1 minus 4. So it's equal to 2 minus minus 1, that's 2 plus 1, and 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. Saka we get 3 minus 3 up. That is going to be our answer.